sitting with the enemy, but I can be mistaken. I'm living in a dream. This world is mine for taking. You feel my energy. Ain't got no time for wasting. I know they into me. Ain't got no time for waiting.
Hey friend, and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from the Freetress Equal Snatched collection. This is going to be their glueless wig. I'm wearing it in the style Galina, and this is in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card part is looking like. And then here's the details on the inside of the stock card. And then here's the back of the stock card. So this one is definitely going to be glueless. It's going to come with your standard 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. And this one is going to have a glueless elastic band. I just wanted to show you guys a 360 of it on the mannequin and then bring it in closer to show you guys what the hairline is looking like. I didn't pluck this one out, you guys. I left it as is, and I feel like the hairline's pretty good. You definitely could go and customize to your liking if you want, but I was fine with it, honestly. So first I'm just tinting that lace, and then I'm coming in and showing you guys how I cut the lace off. I go in with my embroidering scissors, and then I cut small sections in the front. And this just makes it easier when I go in with my serrated pinking shears for me to maneuver around those pre-cut lace sections. So that's what I'm doing here. And then that's how it's looking like after I cut the lace off. Now I'm just going to go ahead and pop this bad boy on my head. I didn't really do any adjusting of the bands or anything like that. I kind of left it as is. My head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and this one fit me really good. Honestly, I'm surprised I didn't see a bunch of reviews and stuff on this one. I know this one came out a bit ago. I recorded this review honestly months ago, and now I'm just getting to posting it, but I'm surprised I didn't see really many reviews on it. I feel like this wig definitely was much better than I thought it was going to be. Also, I just feel like Freetress doesn't really drop too many new units, but I definitely feel like I am impressed with this wig specifically, and it just makes me want to try the Snatched collection because I really wasn't expecting to be able to wear it glueless. I always get weary when a company lists their wigs, especially the synthetic wigs, as glueless, because this one specifically on the actual box it says no glue, no gel, no adhesive, no mess, no fuss, protects your natural edges, time saving and efficient, easy to install. So typically when I see stuff like that, I'm like, I don't know about that. But honey, yes, this was actually right. I feel like they were speaking the truth on their box because I really didn't need any adhesive. You can go ahead and add heat if you feel the need to. This one does say it's heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Like as I'm showing you guys here, I literally did not use any adhesive whatsoever. If I wanted to make the blend more seamless and probably like just go above and beyond and make it look perfect, I absolutely could have just applied a little bit to the lace in the front just to make it, you know, sit the way that I wanted to, but you really don't need to. I really was just impressed with this. So as far as the texture on this one, I feel like the texture is not silky, but it's also not yucky. It's somewhere in the middle, so it's giving me like maybe a light yucky, and you guys know I am always somebody who's a yucky girl, so I actually am a fan of the texture of this hair. Right now I'm just using my concealer from Juvia's Place to go ahead and blend that lace in. And as far as the density on this hair, you guys, this is a good density. It's definitely sitting closer to about 180%. And the length on it, it is definitely a longer length. The length comes below my boobs. When it comes to the cap size on this one, my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. And like I said, I feel like I was able to wear this one glueless. But if your head is any bit bigger than mine, I would definitely say just stray on the side of caution, just because like I told you guys, I didn't adjust the straps or anything like that, and I'm just wearing it as is. So now I'm just showing you guys me styling it. I'm just brushing it down to get rid of a little bit of the humpiness that I'm seeing. And also, you guys, this is going to be a 13x6 unit, so you do get the flexibility to go ahead and part this unit to where you see fit. One of the things I actually did like about this unit a lot is you can see right here how they have like some faint layers cut. I really like the look of it. And another good thing about this unit, you guys, I feel like if you're somebody who's a beginner when it comes to wigs, this one is pretty much like good to go. There's very minimal that you have to do to be able to get this one together. And then of course I'm just going in and adding additional concealer around the perimeter of the lace because I was noticing a little bit of ghosting. Another thing to note, you guys, especially if you're my skin tone or darker, the lace on this one was a little bit on the ashier side, but I was definitely able to blend it in with my skin. It wasn't giving me sensational wet lace ashiness, thankfully, so just definitely something to keep in mind. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. So this one, like I said, it was super easy to style. I wasn't getting any tangling, I wasn't getting any shedding, but I am certain that of course with time you will get tangling and you will get shedding, just because number one, it's a synthetic unit, and number two, just the length of it is on the longer side, so it's probably going to be a little bit of maintenance to deal with. But straight out of the box, I'm not really seeing honestly any cons. So let me just jump into my cons and pros for this unit. Honestly, it's not necessarily really a con, but I would say this unit would probably be flawless if they executed the hairline just a little bit better. Like I said, I feel like you can get away with wearing it straight out of the box, but I feel like if they just went like a little bit harder and plucked it out a little bit more, this unit would be absolute perfection. So I won't necessarily really say that it's a con, because like I said, I was wearing it how it came out of the box. But as far as my pros on it, I love the texture. I really love how easy it was to style. I went from style to style without tangling and shedding. I really like the texture. I loved the density. This unit definitely got me feeling like the Freetress Snatched collection needs some more eyes on it, some more notoriety, because this is doing exactly what it should be doing. And the price point was at like $38.99, which I feel like is fantastic compared to a lot of these wigs that we're getting for like $50. So that was a yes for me as well. So I feel like if you guys get this one, you won't be disappointed. And that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.